Oh man, I love it. Last year we started off with maybe 13 teams. 14 I think was the first competition of the SCA. And now we're pushing 63 teams. Hopefully we'll be able to hit that 100 mark by the end of the summer.
This is huge. It's just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger. This barbecue state championship series that Barbecue Pit Stop's got going, people are drawn to it, not just from Utah, but there's 6 other states from people coming from all over. There's kids competing. How many teenagers are competing? 4 or 5? Yeah, there's a fair amount, and it's just gonna keep happening.
I want to see kids get out here. I want to see the future of our sport to grow. Recently, they changed the age bracket to where younger cooks can actually come in and cook. They used to have just kids only, but now they can compete with the adults now as well. So that was a really nice change that the SCA did. Man, I love watching my son cook. It makes me happy. I love that he's independent on it now. He's cooked enough, he's confident, he can cook by himself. And I just really hope that he wins. You know, I like to see him walk. I'd take a backseat to AJ any day.
Cooking some steak at the competition, trying to beat my dad. I'm 15 years old. I think it's pretty fun to learn. It'll be fun to teach my kids one day.
I feel pretty good about it. I think I got a good cook on it, and the flavor's pretty good, so
Yeah.
I feel pretty good about it. But I mean, you never know what's gonna happen, so it's fun. But my dad can be kind of stressful because he's really like, get this done right now, and he kind of underestimates the time we need for everything. So it gets pretty stressful with him. And my mom, she's pretty good at it. So my dad taught me. Yeah, he taught me how to do the steaks and everything. But I've always wanted to do it. I was always just too nervous or too young to do it. So he taught me how to do it.
Cool. And now you know better than him?
Yeah, I think so.
It is pretty cool. I like it. I had so much fun prepping for the steaks, doing all the seasonings. With my flavor, I think I did really good. I did really good on tender. I'm not sure on done. That's my question. I was on time most of the time. I turned in at 2:20, so I was pretty proud of that, right between.
I thought I was gonna miss the turn-in time, and I just was gonna be like, well, now I have 2 steaks that I can't turn in. So I guess I had to write out a timeline so I wouldn't miss it. So like what to do at what time. But I ended up making it in like halfway through the time, so it would feel good to win, just so I could be like, hey, look, I won, and you guys are like twice the age older than me.
It got pretty nerve-wracking, I guess. I was just trying to go as fast as I could to get it done. I think I was the last one to get the steak in.
Last steak. Some of the best ribeyes in the state.